Hi there. Here we are with our patient Ryan. Ryan is here today for another surgery. We did his previous surgery a year ago, about or so from today. We did a Max Plus procedure. And when Ryan came in, he was obviously a handsome fella, but he had lost his hair. So it changed his whole appearance, it changed his youthfulness, and he wanted to restore his hair. So what we did for Ryan is we completely recreated his entire hairline, built out his temples, and we were able to achieve that all in one surgery. How was the process for you, my friend?
Oh, it's been great. Definitely a long process, saw a lot of positive results, so I'm excited for the second procedure.
Awesome. And what did you think when you saw your before pictures today?
Oh, I was shocked. Like I was saying, I forgot how long I've come since then. So.
And that's so typical. Everyone forgets how they start, and then when they come in, they see the pictures, and they're like, "Oh my God, I can't believe I was walking around with this." To use your exact words.
Yes.
And he's a younger version of himself in a year.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. And so, did you have any pain or swelling throughout the process of healing?
Just slight discomfort on the couple weeks afterwards, but overall very easy going, and willing to do it again.
Awesome.
No problem.
And did you get on the preventative treatments? Are you on Propecia, Rogaine?
Yes, Propecia. Got a year prescription. Also Rogaine foam.
Okay, perfect. Yes. Awesome. Very important. So he's doing his part preventatively with the FDA-approved treatments, Propecia and Rogaine, which we definitely recommend to all the patients, and it's really important to keep what he has because he has all this great hair in the back. So he's an easy fix if he does his treatments. All that will hopefully stay, and then all you gotta do is fine-tune the front, and he moves on with his life, and it's over in 2 procedures. So that's the key. Make sure not to go off those products because that's what's helping everything stay in place.
Yes.
Now, so let's show him off a little bit. So take a look at the hairline up close. So what we did is we brought this hairline all the way down. You'll see with the before photos, he didn't have pretty much any of this hair. So we gave him what's called pretty much a no recession hairline because he's a young guy, wanted a lower hairline. But that transitions nicely, it fits his face. Today we're gonna go through fine tune these temples. Literally none of this existed before the surgery. So everything you're seeing here is new hair, and that just came out great. Blends in nice, gave him nice peaks on the temples. That looks really nice and natural. Suture line, while you're over on this side, we'll just kind of go this way. So suture line, okay, right here. Let me get over here, Mike. This way. Starts from here, creeps down. And I'm looking at this at the same time that I'm showing the camera. Through here, that's the suture line. If you can see that little trace line right through there. Okay, excellent. You heal perfect, my man.
Thank you.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful suture line. Look at that. Very nice the whole way around. You can barely even see that. I mean, it's like, you know, literally a fine. You can barely even see it. You gotta know what you're looking for. Excellent, all the way around. And let me just kind of show this other side here. So here's his other hairline. Here's the other temple. Super natural. Everyone's always asking, well, put a comb through it. Okay, sure. Look at this. So super natural, fits his face perfectly. Just an amazing result. Looks awesome. You did great with the suture line. So you gotta do that again. You gotta sit still again, let that heal perfectly.
For sure, yes.
So the question I ask everybody, what do you say to the person who's sitting at home, who's thinking about doing this, that's on the fence, because everyone's always so nervous?
Definitely make the investment. It's helped out my confidence so much. Looking at the before photos, which I hope they show you, and where I'm at right now and where I'm going to be in a year, it's just going to be exponential for just quality of life, I believe.
Awesome. Thanks for doing the video.
All right, thank you very much.
Appreciate it.